How and why does your environment matter? Well, as you can see, I'm in a beautiful environment right now. And if I check myself, I can honestly say, yeah, it's very calming. It's very soothing. I can hear the birds. So this natural environment, my whole being is enjoying. But what if I was stressed? So if I was feeling stressed, would being in this stunningly peaceful, beautiful environment make a lot of difference? Well, it might do for a short time, but the most likely thing is that I would be rushing along, that I would be out on my walk. So I'd be striding along and I'd kind of intellectually be thinking, oh, it's great that I'm outside, this is very good for me. But that wouldn't be releasing the wonderful feel-good chemicals that are available to me in this beautiful environment. So what do I recommend? Well, number one, slow down a bit. Yes, it's nice to walk at a steady pace, but listen and tune into what's going on around you, which comes from walking a bit more slowly, from really taking a breath, and maybe identifying a couple of points on your walk where you stop and always practice a moment of feeling really grateful for. So for me, I often stop by the river and I just take a breath. And I am really grateful for this beautiful, amazing river that flows near me. And because I release all these amazing chemicals that calms me and brings me truly into this environment. And then down there, I don't know if you can see, but there's a beautiful bumblebee. So if I'm walking and I'm present, I will slow down and I'll really watch the bumblebee, and I'll be grateful that I got the chance to see a bumblebee. So remember, environment is really important, but what's even more important is you being able to access the beauty, the calmness of the environment, which means regularly checking in with your internal environment, the one that's inside you, and bringing that back into balance and regulation, releasing those chemicals that make you feel good and calm. And then the environment will serve you most beautifully, most wonderfully, mentally and physically. Enjoy.